Welcome back, learners. Let's wrap up our lesson. So we looked at representing data where we focused on a pie chart and a line graph. A pie chart, we defined it as a circular diagram where each sector of the circle represents a data value. We gave an example of the different flavors that learners like or number of students like. So we're given the percentage of the learners that like different flavors. Then we defined a sector as a slice of the pie chart. For an example, this is a portion of the entire pie chart. Okay, a line graph we defined as a graph showing trends between plotted points used for continuous data, which is represented by joining points. For an example, we're given a graph there for the temperature on the 1st of September, where the temperature was our dependent variable and the time was our independent variable. And then the lines were joined, the points were joined using a solid line to show that this is a continuous data. Then we defined a broken line graph as a graph showing trends between plotted points used for discrete data, which is represented by not joining the plotted points. So we are given there a graph with the bus trips and the number of people in the buses. Then we are given points and those dotted lines or broken lines in between to just indicate how the graph flows. The common errors that we might find ourselves making is not being able to differentiate between a line graph and a broken line graph. So a line graph represents continuous data. So there is no way you can take a line graph and then you represent discrete. It only represents continuous data, and a broken line graph will represent discrete data. So these are the two errors that we might find ourselves making. Then we move on to the question that I want you to do during your spare time. We've got Mr. Ntuli earns 21,350 per month. He spends his money on items displayed on the pie chart. We are given all of these items that are displayed there. Then the question that I want you to do is calculate the actual amount spent on A. Actual amount spent on A, which is the food, bond, and electricity. You have to calculate the actual amount that is spent there. Thank you so much for tuning in today for our lesson on pie chart and a line graph. And I hope that now you understand it better. You understand how to solve questions on pie charts and line graph. And I hope to see you again next time.